Centro de Domótica Integral de la Universidad Politécnica de Madrid is a multidisciplinary research and development center. This project has been carried out by the Energy Efficiency and Internet of Things Group. To improve the management of massive IoT networks, we have deployed 3 networks of IoT devices to simulate different use cases: buildings, public lightings, and greenhouses. To process and store the data of these networks, we have developed an IoT platform using the tools provided by Elastic-Stack. The platform not only integrates essential functionalities to allow communication between users with their devices, it also integrates Elasticsearch, Bits Agents, and Kibana to centralize the maintenance of the platform in real time. The architecture of the platform is divided into 3 modules: Search Engine Monitoring and Visualization, Gateway, and Application Server. Elasticsearch stores and replicates the measurements of peripheral devices, server, and services of the platform to visualize and analyze them using Kibana. Different Bits agents have been integrated to manage and collect the operational and network data from each module. Thanks to integration of Elastic-Stack tools, the IoT platform meets the functionalities and needs required by the platform administrator and users. Specifically, users can store the measurements in a structured way, create visualization and dashboards with their devices, and visualize the location of the devices in a map. Likewise, the platform administrator can monitor the operation and performance of the systems and services, collect and display the logs of the applications, check the status of the service to detect system failures, and monitor the network traffic to control who interacts with the platform.